That SLF file is a Symantec licensing file, the activation data that validates your Symantec security software installation and enables its protective features. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you install or troubleshoot this software license. I'll be introducing you to the true time saver at the end. This involves the correct application of a single premium SLF file inspection utility designed for broad-spectrum file support. SLF files are licensing data files for Symantec Norton security products, containing product activation keys, license type definitions, subscription duration data, and entitlement information. They validate software installations and determine which features are available for the user. Symantec SLF files use an encrypted binary format, storing license serial numbers, product identifiers, subscription expiration dates, feature entitlement flags, and digital signatures for tamper verification. They are processed by the Symantec licensing service during product activation. When viewing the file metadata, the SLF shows a direct link to Norton security from NortonLifeLock, non-gen digital. Windows lacks necessary integrity checks, so safe handling requires approved software. Windows may open them in a text or config editor, but they should be modified only when you understand their effect. Let's check the registry associations. Right-click your SLF file, then click Open With. Try Norton Security if you see it. If it is not there, test the next application. We are looking for a successful file link. If your SLF file will not open yet, do not panic. Before you download the universal fix, know what you're fixing. Here is a breakdown of the typical technical issues causing your SLF problem. First, applying the license. Open your Symantec Norton product and navigate to the subscription or activation section. If prompted for a license file, browse to the SLF file and select it to apply the license. The product will validate the license and activate the corresponding subscription features. Next, Troubleshooting Activation. If license activation fails, ensure the SLF file matches your installed Symantec product version. Check your internet connection, as activation may require online verification. Contact Symantec support with your serial number if the SLF file is rejected during the activation process. Finally, managing subscriptions. Keep backup copies of SLF files for reinstallation purposes. Note that modern Norton products use online account-based activation rather than file-based licensing. Log into your Norton account at mynorton.com to manage subscriptions and download installation media directly. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open-source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.